Hello everybody, welcome to my creative time with Emma, and also welcome to a quick tutorial on how to put together from our newest release, from the 144th edition Christmas in July release. This is called it's either called the Ginger Deer Antler Dies or just the Ginger Antler Dies. It's one of the two, but it'll be correct in my store, okay? There will be a link to this video in my store. As well as right here, YouTube, okay? So anyways, these are super cute. So basically, there are two sets on here. So there's some for our 3-inch. So basically, I put the nose together. So there's the bigger nose for the medium-sized gingers and then the smaller nose for the smaller gingers. So for the bigger guys, these actually coordinate with my the sweet ginger dies. So it coordinates with our sweet gingerbread person along with our sweet gingerbread companion dies, okay? So that's what this one coordinates with. And then the smaller guy, the smaller ones at the top coordinate with our ginger boy and girl die. And these are the 2-inch guys, and these are the 3-inch ones, okay? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show, this also comes with a set of stamps. Let me go ahead and tell you what they say here. There's Merry and Bright, special delivery, dashing by to say, happy holidays, shine bright, jingle all the way, Christmas wishes, and reindeer kisses, okay? So this comes sold as a set. So basically, this is what it looks. Super duper cute. I will have the link to the bells I picked up on Amazon, and these are them right here, okay? There's small, and then these ones are called super tiny bells, okay? So these super tiny bells are the size that I used on the smaller ginger that we're about to put together, and you can see an example on my card here. I used it on him. Super duper adorable, okay? So that's what I use. These are called the super tiny. So I will have links to both of this size and this size in the description here on YouTube, okay? Okay, so I'm super excited because this is such a cute little die set. Now, the way the lights were actually designed, they were designed to just have, basically, let's pretend these lights aren't here. It was designed with only 2 lights, okay? But the way you're going to cut out the dies, you do have the ability to add more lights, which I did. I added 2 more at the top there using this adorable little like foil paper from, I believe it's from Michael's. I picked it up last year. So anyway, so this is basically using the ginger. Now, I just kind of want to show you, this is the original way this ginger face is supposed to go. But we all got over using all of these little pieces. So what we do is just now, instead of where the eyes used to go, those are like considered the little eyebrows. Then we just kind of put a little use a fine black tip marker. Because these were the markings where you were supposed to put these dies, okay? Like there were some little cheeks here, but like I said, we're over that already because they were such small pieces. So so now we just put a little black line there. Some of us add little eyelashes if you want, however you want, but it's super simple way where you don't have to use those tiny pieces, and this still looks super adorable. So what I did was I just went ahead and I added the little jingle bells, and I just tied it in the back with some twine. Super duper adorable. So we're going to go ahead and put this together, but we're going to put the smaller version together. Now here goes another way you could go ahead and, so basically this one here, if you cut out the ginger in craft and then the little squirrely thing in white, this will still have the cutouts, okay? So, but if you do the opposite, if you cut the white part out, you know what I'm saying? Just basically flip it around, okay? So this way, if you use this little curly one, as this one here, you just take out the middle part and you'll have a clean face where you can stamp. And I use these are the small and medium ginger faces. These are the ones I came out with last year. This actually went with the Halloween collection, but Obviously, you could use it for this. So this is the small and the medium ginger faces, which you could use for this size and for that size. It comes with 2 different sizes, okay? So anyways, there is a video that Miss Melissa Carroll did on how to do this. So I'm going to see if I could track that down, and I'll also link it for you, okay? So I'm going to show you how to put these together. Hopefully I don't make this video too long. What I did was I kind of made this similar to our little ginger bunnies. Almost made it like a headband that you put it in the back. So basically, this white part here will line up with this top portion there, okay? So let's go ahead and just start putting this together right now. And I made it where it had little ears. See the little cute little ears, so cute. Okay, so this is just gonna go like so. We're just gonna line it up with the top there. Just like that. Hold that down for a quick second. And then we have our little, the layer portions of it, okay? Let me make sure this is correct. Yes, okay. So these are the little layer for the antlers. So these, I made these a little bit, and you could obviously, by all means, you could do this whole top portion dark, even with the little ears, however you want, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this like so. And this is the same exact way you put together the little bit bigger one. I figured, same exact way you would put that together, but I figured we'll just put the small one together today on camera. So there goes that one, and then this one's gonna go like so. So I'm not sure, you might want to add the little layers maybe before you put it on the back. It's up to you, because you see how they're not completely even, but they work. You know what I'm saying? Like, they should have went down a little bit more. So next time, if you want, you could go ahead and just do the opposite. Put the little layers on first, and then glue that whole piece to the back. But it still works. It still looks super cute, okay? And then the little nosy, we're going to go ahead and put that there. Now, it will cover up the mouth, and that's something, obviously, we have no control over because we're focusing on the little Rudolph's nose here. So this is just going to go, and I popped it up, okay? It's going to go like so, super cute, okay? Okay, so now that that portion's done, let's go ahead and put on the little, what do you call it? The little lights. Now, we could put the lights together first. So this is what it looks like, okay? It was obviously made just to go ahead and put 2 little lights on here, all right? But now you could put it this way, or you could turn it around this way. There's really no right or wrong way to put these on, you know what I'm saying? Let's see, since we did that one that way, let's go ahead and do this one this way. So let's go ahead and just put the little, let's add these on first. Now you see how I did this one, how I made this one just a little bit lower. This one I'm going to put more toward the top, okay? I think it's so cute. Okay, so I'm not sure. Let me see where we need to put the glue. So we'll put it on the 2 lights and then on the edges here. I just want to make sure we could grasp it onto something, onto the actual antlers, okay? So this one, okay, so that's perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and hold this down like so, just for a second. Okay, so now, since we did put the little star, let's put a little red star on here, rather than a gold or silver. Now, I want to show you something, which there is a part on here that you really don't need to use. I'm not sure why I included it, but on the die here, let me grab the die really quick. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I'm going to kind of explain this to you really quick, okay? You see how this is the little string, okay? Then we have the little layers here. So basically, you see how that little heart is with the little thing pointing down? That's a layer that will go there. But technically, you really don't need to use this one. So just use a little star like what I used right there, okay? And then this light and that light was made to go ahead and layer on there. You see how you can see the green part right there? That's where the light goes, okay? Now, I did create these ones. These are the ones that have that little extra piece at the bottom. This way you could add extra lights to them if you want, okay? Or you could just go with the 2. However you want to do this is definitely, you know, it's okay. So, you know what I'm thinking? Let's see. We'll do green and white, green and red lights on these. So let's get this. Let me turn this around. Okay, there goes the first one. And then we're going to go ahead and put the red one on here as well. Okay, so there we go. We could stop right there, but I want to show you how you can add more light. So we're going to get these ones here that have the little, so it's stuck in my nail, that have the little bottom portion right there. Okay, you see how the actual lights don't have the bottom portion, but this one does, and I did that purposely so this way we can add more lights if we want. So I'm wondering if we should make these lights, we'll still make them go upward. Why not? I think that'll look super cute. They don't all have to be the same. Like this one I did 2 and then 2 down and 2 up on that one. But let's do this one just a hint different. Okay, there goes that one there. And then let's go ahead and add this one to the opposite side. And then this will kind of go like off to the side like so. Okay. And then we're just going to go ahead and just continue adding the little lights. So let's see, I think I have another red one here. I just want to turn this around here. Okie dokie. And then we're going to get the red light. Go ahead and put the red light right here. And that's going to go like so. Now, how cute is that? Okay. And then that's it. That's super easy to put this together. Now, of course, as you can see, I did cut these out in 3 different colors. So I cut it out in the green, the red, and then the dark green because I knew I wanted to add the extra little light bulbs. Okay. But you know, you don't have to do that. You could just do with the 2 at the top. But I think it's super cute. I just wanted to show you how you can add more light bulbs to this if you'd like. Okay, everyone, so that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. So sorry it was so long. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this new die set as much as we have. Okay, thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great day. Bye bye.